We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive expert overview of the Tacobear Girl Birthday Gift Set, a 10-piece unicorn-themed collection designed for girls aged 6 to 10. This gift set comes beautifully packaged in a box with double-sided printing, featuring a charming pink-yellow sunset color scheme that immediately appeals to young children. The set includes a LED star cushion, a fluffy lockable diary, a fuzzy pen, a purse, an eye mask, a headband, a stainless steel water bottle, a necklace, a bracelet, and a plush unicorn keychain. Each item has been thoughtfully chosen to create a delightful and versatile gift experience. The quality of the materials used in this set has impressed many customers. Despite the reasonable price point, the items feel sturdy and well made. For example, the bracelet included in the set has a solid weight and resembles a genuine charm bracelet, which adds to the perceived value and delight for the recipient. The plush unicorn keychain and other accessories are durable enough to withstand regular use by children, which is a key consideration for parents and gift givers. One of the standout features of this gift set is the LED star pillow. It is easy to operate with batteries that are simple to insert, and the glow it emits is just the right brightness to create a comforting atmosphere without being overwhelming. This makes it a perfect nightlight or a cozy companion for bedtime, enhancing the overall appeal of the set. The fluffy lockable diary and fuzzy pen are frequently mentioned as favorites among children. These items provide a fun and private way for young girls to express themselves, jot down thoughts, or keep secrets. The lock mechanism adds an element of excitement and security, making it a treasured possession. The diary is also a great tool for encouraging writing and creativity, which parents appreciate. The stainless steel water bottle is another practical and well-liked component. It is sturdy, functional, and designed with the same appealing unicorn theme, making hydration fun and special. This bottle is suitable for everyday use at school, outings, or sports, adding utility to the gift set. Additional accessories such as the eye mask and headband contribute to the overall charm and usability of the set. These items are soft, comfortable, and designed to fit children well, enhancing the imaginative play and dress-up possibilities. The purse, necklace, and bracelet add a fashionable touch, allowing the child to feel special and stylish. Parents and gift buyers have reported that this set is an excellent choice for birthdays, Christmas, or as a thoughtful care package. One reviewer shared how the set was perfect for cheering up a niece recovering from a broken wrist, highlighting the emotional value and comfort it provided. The variety of items keeps children engaged and entertained, while also offering practical uses. The packaging itself is attractive and gift-ready, which saves time and effort for buyers. The colorful and cute box presentation adds to the excitement of receiving the gift and makes the unboxing experience memorable. While the set has many positive attributes, some users might consider the number of items a bit overwhelming if the child prefers fewer, more focused gifts. However, the diversity is generally seen as a strength, offering something for every interest and mood. Overall, the Tacobear Girl Birthday Gift Set stands out as a well-rounded, high-quality, and thoughtfully curated present for young girls. It combines fun, practicality, and aesthetic appeal in a way that resonates with both children and adults. The consistent positive feedback, high customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, and repeated purchases as gifts for others underscore its popularity and reliability. If you have this gift set or plan to purchase it, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports our channel. This set is highly recommended for anyone looking to delight a young girl with a magical and memorable gift experience.